Hello and welcome. My name is Bradleymayerharman, and today I have the pleasure of being joined with Vic Thapar. Vic is running for town council in the town of Orangeville. Thank you for being here today, Vic.
Thank you, Brad, for having me here.
So today I want to talk to you about working together. So in the past, town council has openly and publicly disagreed with each other.
Right.
And certainly there's a less cohesiveness than is desired for our town. How would you address this issue, and personally, what would you do to make to resolve it?
Absolutely. You're saying right, like we have heard and we have seen our town council, present town council, there are a lot of issues with each other. For me personally, I'll say if you see the candidate list, brand new faces in there, fresh faces. Bring the fresh faces in, and which do not have harbor for the existing issues. And I believe that's what was dividing our present council. So with a fresh mind, fresh set of eyes into the town council, it's going to absolutely resolve this issue. And you can always count on me. I am not a person who is going to argue or not going to if it's always, I'm going to work in best interest of our people, and I'm always there to support them. If there is anything which is in good interest for people, I'll definitely say you won't see that kind of stuff from me, and I'll say with open and honest communication, we'll do really well.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
Well, and I really do hope that the next town council are able to work together and have a unified voice.
There you go. I definitely look forward to it.
Awesome. Thanks very much for being here today, Vic. And if you'd like to see some more information and some other answers that Vic has, please do take a look at the links below. I hope you have a fantastic day.